Oh man, I just jumped out of the car, and this thing with a 3.9 diff is amazing. It literally just like alive. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of the Budge Drift Build. Look at it, play that behind me. And actually, for you guys who watched Budge Drift Build series, I started this project probably a couple of years back, and guess what, we continue that few episodes maybe from here now on. And today I have the Playdate car behind me. I'm actually gonna do a little bit more mods to it and make it even better. But first of all, it's been a couple of years having this car. Everything about this car is amazing. So only the mods that we have been done is pretty much handling. The power wise is all factory. If you guys have watched the previous videos about this car, it's really built on a budget but handles so well. If you guys haven't checked the video, go back to the videos and check it all out. But after a couple of years, I'm coming back with another mod and hopefully to improve this car even better. So this car from factory, a 3.5 V6 NA motor, 6-speed manual, a perfect drivetrain, and in the diff has a 3.5 diff ratio. In the auto cars, I believe they have a 3.3 diff ratio. So if you know Sylvia's Skylines, they pretty much 3.9, 4.1, and 4.3. So these ratios are a lot longer than the ones that's in the Sylvias. But however, because these are 6-speed gearboxes, and I think the second gear is very strong, and to be honest, we can link whole drift park here super easy. But today we really want to push this car a little bit further, is being a 3.5 NA, you know, what we can achieve to have more power, more responsive of the car. Not saying it's not responsive, but this car is like already so good. We want to improve a little bit more, but on a budget. So for you guys who are already running a 350Z, it's I think maybe a good watch for you guys. With the 3.5 diff, today we're gonna swap it out to 3.9. But first of all, I'm just gonna take the car onto the track and show you guys what it looks like from inside the car and a little bit from the outside the car. And then I'm gonna park the car and then we swap the diff on, and from there, and I'll do another test, and then I'll let you guys know how I feel between the 3.5 to the 3.9. So for now, let's jump in the car, have a bit of play. All right, so we just jump in the car and can put my seatbelt on and start it up, and really just gonna give it a go. Okay, put my window up. The car's a bit loud at the moment. Yeah, the car feels really good. Like, that's what I mean, like with 350Z, you don't have to do much. And if you watch the previous episode, that's all the mods it has, and it just goes really good. So inside the hairpins, it might be, it's still quite responsive, but it's probably not as responsive as it can be in obviously V8s and Sylvias. But I'm keen to try this 3.7 and see if we can actually bring the revs up a little bit and just see how we feel about it. Alright, so let's chuck the diff and have a look. Alright, we're just starting taking the diff. We've got 3 guys under the car. Not like Tux is not under the car yet, but Ron and Nick is start whipping this diff out. Looking good. Alright, this is the diff Nick brought and look at it here, it says 3.9, so we're gonna put a couple of markers on there and give it a spin. All right, we've got a white pen here. I might just go with, see if I can match up somewhere here. So we've got a white marker there. I'll just go with this one here. Fresh marker. And a marker over here. That's the top. All right, we're just gonna start spin and count. All right, there's 1. It's a bit bright there, right? 2. And 3. Look at here, and here is already at where we started, but if I get a little bit more right there, and that's gonna be full revolution on the front, so that'll be 4.0, but this is 3.9. That means when it lines up there, it's almost over here. So this is a 3.9 diff. If you want to check how to check a diff, and then yeah, without opening it up, I'll count the teeth. You'll be able to check what's the ratio in there. Oh man, it's a boy. Ooh. Oh man, that's quick. Oh man, like actually no joking, I thought, you know, they're gonna take another hour, but yeah, the man taking out in like 10 minutes. Boys out, girls in. It's been like 15-20 minutes. Half an hour? Oh, that's what Nick says. On the dot.
On the dot, half an hour.
In and out.
In and out. Still charge you for 4 hours though.
So yeah, that's pretty much in. Ron just doing the last spots pretty much, and we can drop it off and give it a test. I pretty much can't wait and to see the 3.9 compared to the 3.5. Yeah, the 3.5 is not bad, but 3.9, what's it gonna be like? Let's go. So we're gonna do a little bit drifting in the car park in second gear, because second gear is quite short now compared to before, and that's where we used to do like a second gear figure 8, but it's a little bit laggy, you know, so we can give it a go now. Very responsive. I think that feels a little bit more kick than before, to be honest. See the second gear here, it's a bit responsive. All right, let's go for a drift. Oh! I hit the limiter on the straight. Oh! Gear is a little bit shorter, but very responsive. Woo! I love the second gear in the hairpin over here. Oh man, I just jumped off the car and this thing with a 3.9 diff is amazing. It literally just like alive. I might put Taxi in the car and see how he feels about this car too. And to be honest, this car is just alive. And I'm pretty sure he will like about this car. And yeah man, if you have a 350Z, I'm probably gonna recommend you guys to change a 3.9 diff.
Interesting.
Yeah, I'll get you in the car to see if you like this 3.9 compared to 3.5 before, right?
Yeah, 3.4.
3.5 from
5 to 3.9.
yes,
Yeah.
it's quite a bit difference.
Yeah. It's amazing. It's very different now.
Big difference, eh?
Yeah, it's way easier than before, especially the middle of the corner.
Yeah, like in the hairpin
In the
there,
hairpin.
so responsive.
Yeah.
Like some people may be quite late on the gas,
Oh,
but with
But-
this differential it's not a problem.
yeah, no problem at all.
Yeah.
It's way better. But just a little bit lining out the lip on the middle. So
Yeah.
just
Work the gas.
yeah, just lift the gas a little bit, save the gas a little bit. So
Yeah.
it's nice.
I think there's like huge improvement, you know, keeping the, you know, theme of Budge Drift Build.
Yeah.
Just putting a differential in there and actually not touching anything with power wise.
Yeah.
It's gonna have the reliability. So if you guys are running that 3.5, you know, 350Z or the Skyline VQ35s, and if you have a diff that is a little bit longer or, you know, 3.5, but if you can get hold of a 3.9, do it.
Yeah.
Because I think that's amazing.
Just do it.
Just do it. Okay, it's a bit weird we're coming back to the drift car build, Budge Drift Build, but this is what is needed for this car. So hope you guys enjoy this, and we really enjoy this car now.
Absolutely.
Yeah, after a couple of years, even more improvement. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, thumb up and also subscribe our channel. And Taxi will also have a video on his channel.
Yeah.
I'll put it down below. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.